So you want to go ahead and increase sales, but unfortunately, your team is too afraid of doing cold calls, or they just have an inability in actually communicating the value offer the way that it needs to be, right? I'm going to show you how Dojo AI is going to solve that problem for you. My name is Rich. I'm one of the co-founders of this company, and as you can basically see here, we got dashboard, practice sessions, analytics, my team, and any one of these customer avatars that we can go out there and build for you custom, regardless of who it is that you're selling to. You could be selling to real estate agents, you could be selling B2B, B2C, it could be for door knockers, it could be any offer for any type of customer segment that you want. And the best part of all is it would be as if you, the sales manager, or you, the business owner, is training your sales staff 24/7, or if you're watching this and you're in sales right now, it would be as if you had access to your sales manager this whole time, where they're just able to go out there and guide you through whatever challenge you have. So for this example that I'm going to give for the purpose of this YouTube video, we're going to go ahead and cold call Raya. Now, Raya is the HR manager of Elite Tech Solutions. It's a 150 person tech consulting company, and our objective is to go ahead and identify her current challenges with hiring. Now, I'm going to talk about a little bit, let's see here. What are her onboarding challenges, performance management, whether or not your solution can go out there and fit. I'm going to show you how, let's just say I'm starting the first day on the job, and you don't have time to onboard me as a salesperson, right? I'm just going to go out there and just do some random shit, and you're going to go out there and see exactly how this thing works out.
Hello,
Hey, can I speak with Raya?
this is Raya. Who's calling?
Raya, this is Rich, just giving you a follow-up call regarding your email where you're interested in our AI-driven recruiting platform.
Hmm. I don't recall any email about an AI recruiting platform. Are you sure you have the right person?
Yeah, I'm reaching out because you're the HR manager over there at Elite Tech Solutions. I'm sure you send out a lot of emails every single day. If you had just about 8 minutes, I would love to provide just a quick demo call and how our AI driven recruiting platform can save you guys anywhere between 30 to 40 hours a week of time where you're manually sorting resumes, and how we can essentially help you hire the best software engineers before your competition gets to them.
Well, Rich, I don't recall sending that email, and right now isn't the best time for a demo. I'm curious about the potential time savings, but I'm dealing with bandwidth limitations and some challenges with past tech rollouts. What makes your solution different from others I've seen, especially regarding implementation?
Got it. Have you actually, it sounds to me like you've been burned a few times in the past by similar offers.
Yeah, onboarding with new tech hasn't always been smooth sailing. It often ends up being more complicated and time consuming than promised.
Unfortunately, that has been the case. Can you tell me a little bit about a similar service that you guys have tried to onboard recently? I think it might be a competitor of ours, and I can tell you exactly how we're going to implement our service differently than they do.
Let me think. Well, we tried to onboard a platform that promised to automate our onboarding processes. It turned into a drawn out affair with a lot of unexpected manual steps and resistance from hiring managers. So, how would your approach avoid those pitfalls?
Boom. Did you just go ahead and see that? Now, obviously, I can go through more of the call, but essentially, what our product could go ahead and do for y'all is it's very, very simple. There's three types of AI that you're going to need to build and scale an effective sales team, an extremely revenue driven sales team. Number one is you need some type of customer avatar for your sales team to be able to role play with effectively to just build up that muscle. I can tell you right now, I've never really sold B2B like that before, but we built this thing out for one of our clients. And just playing with it, the first couple of times, I was actually nervous myself, but actually having more familiarity with it before I record this YouTube video, I actually got more comfortable. We can also go ahead and build out an AI where effectively it operates as a sales coach. Imagine how effective your team would be if you were able to hang out with them 24/7. If the company was cool enough to send you guys to an offsite somewhere fun where you had access to them 24/7, how much faster it would be for you to just get them to become rock stars, right? You'd be able to level them all up. You'd also be able to go and implement the best scripts, the best rebuttals to the most annoying, frequently asked questions from not just you or scripts that you or your company has made, but also from the rainmaking closers. Everybody has their own style. We can add it all in there, and we would be able to in a very, very, very near future. Which is why you need to schedule a demo call with us as soon as possible if you have not already. Be able to create also in a sales assistant. Most of the deals that are being lost right now is due to lack of productivity because everybody's working remotely from home, right? So this is we're losing money through the lack of follow up. We're doing lack of money because we have team members that are doom scrolling. They eat lunch and before they know it, they're on one Instagram or TikTok short and they spend 2 hours on there. We have no control over that situation. If you had a sales AI that effectively operated as their sales assistant and got them back going again, how much more money would you and your team be making? How much more engaged would they be? So the three offers that we can go out there and help you provide is number one is we could build custom avatars with all different types of personas for all the different types of demographics that are interested in your offer. We can go ahead and duplicate you as the coach, or if you're watching this right now and you are currently in sales, we could duplicate your manager. And at the same time, we can also go ahead and actually have a sales assistant to make sure that you are working on the activities that you should be working on all the time. My name's Rich. I'm one of the co-founders of Dojo AI. If you haven't scheduled the demo call with us, the link is in the description. We're looking forward to speaking with you very, very soon about how we can help your company in the next, let's say, short 45 to 60 days, depending on our bandwidth, because we are getting a lot of calls right now. Just get your team more repetitions, give them the data. I also didn't show you the matrix that was at the very end of this. After they're done with the call, when it clicks end call, I don't want to show this out just yet to the public, but it can tell you exactly what you need to work on to improve your cold calling or your sales skills. So whether you're a salesperson or a sales coach or a sales manager now, you guys don't all need to spend like all this time reading like sales books. The AI is going to go out there and help y'all get better faster so we can print more cash faster. Like I said, if you haven't scheduled a demo call with us yet, looking forward to speaking with you very, very soon. And if you already have, we're very much looking forward to speaking with you.